In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Drive link to share your photos step by step. This guide is going to be perfect for anyone looking to share images with friends, family, or colleagues conveniently using Google Drive. By the end of this, you'll have the confidence to share your photos securely and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you haven't already, log in using your Google account credentials. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of the interface where you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. This option allows you to upload photos from your computer to Google Drive. After clicking it, a file window will appear where you can browse your computer for the images you want to upload. Select the photos you want to share and click Open. Now, sit back for a moment while your files upload. This might take a few seconds to several minutes depending on the size and quantity of the photos. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your photos appear within Google Drive. The next step is to highlight the photos or the folder containing them. Simply click once if it's a single photo, or hold down the Shift key to select multiple files. With your photos highlighted, right-click and select the Get Link option from the context menu. A new window will pop up displaying the sharing settings for your selected files. Take a closer look here because this is where you configure how you want to share your photos. Under the section that says Get Link, you'll see a setting labeled Restricted. Click on this drop-down and you'll want to change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone who has the link to view the files, making it easier to share with those who might not have a Google account. Before you finalize, double-check the access. In the drop-down next to Anyone with the link, you can choose whether they can view, comment, or edit the photos. For most photo sharing, you'll probably want to leave it set to Viewer. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click the Copy Link button. Google Drive will copy the link to your clipboard ready for you to paste wherever you need it. Now, you can share this link with others. This could be through email, a messaging app, or even social media, anywhere you want people to access the photos. Remember that the link is public to anyone you share it with, so only send it to people you're comfortable with viewing your photos. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Google Drive link that allows others to view your photos. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to come back for more Google Drive tips and tutorials.